They say that all of the fun is in the chase, and if you've chased a girl and have been rejected, then you know that it's not always fun. In fact, being rejected can have major consequences on your confidence. If you are knocked back enough times, your confidence can basically disappear, and you will be left feeling low, unlikely to date again. This is not where you want to find yourself, so this is time to stop chasing the girls. You can get them to chase you by changing your behavior and doing a few things differently. So today I'm going to let you into a secret and tell you what you should be doing to get a girl to chase you so that you don't have to chase her. And if you can learn this successfully, then you won't need to worry about your confidence being knocked again, and you will never have to work so hard. Let's go. Start by working on your confidence. When you stop chasing girls and stop being rejected as often, you will build more confidence. But before you get to this place though, you need to start working on that confidence. Girls are attracted to confident guys and are more likely to chase them. So you want to put this across to them when you first meet them. When you have more confidence in yourself, you are also less likely to want to desperately chase someone. So to start working on your confidence in yourself, you have to think, what is holding me back? Where am I lacking confidence? What is the solution and how could I improve? You should also start looking in the mirror and asking yourself, what do I like about myself? What are the positive parts of me? And doing these small actions every single day will have a positive effect on your personal confidence. And then it's your time to get to work. So remember, the efforts you put in will pay off when you have a girl chasing you instead of you chasing her. Now let me tell you, one of the biggest confidence boosters around is having amazing looking skin. Skin that makes the ladies quite literally turn their heads to look back at you. And skincare sounds a little overwhelming, but I got you. And say thanks to Teach Hanley for sponsoring today's video. They make everything so simple. They take all of the guesswork out of what products you need. So I recommend you start with their level 1 system, which is this one. And it's going to come with all of the basics. A daily face wash to get rid of dirt and grime on your skin, an AM moisturizer with SPF 20 because you should always be protecting your skin from the sun, and a PM moisturizer to help your skin stay hydrated and healthy throughout the night. Now my favourite part about Teach Hanley is that every single box comes with an instruction card that tells you when to use the product, how much to use and in what order. They really do make the process of achieving and maintaining amazing looking skin incredibly easy. Now, in addition to amazing skin, members of Teach Hanley get tons of benefits, including at least 25% off the retail price, the ability to customize your box, exclusive monthly deals, pause or cancel at any time, and free US shipping and low-cost shipping to most other countries. And because Teach Hanley is sponsoring today's video, they're offering my viewers an amazing deal. Just click the first link in the description and you will get 30% off your first box plus a free gift. So click that link and get started today. Don't just focus on one woman. Have you ever heard the saying, don't put all of your eggs in the same basket? If you only focus on making one girl chase you, then you're actually setting yourself up for disappointment. You can put in all of the work to make a lady chase you, but the truth is, not every lady will. It's important that you stay open to other women. And when you do this, you will notice that it's not just one type of woman that will be attracted to you, it will be a few different types. Maybe you have not had a lot of success when it comes to women in the past and you've always tried to date the same type of woman. Suddenly, you start doing all of these things and start attracting other women, leading you to find someone that you can consider spending your future with. Now, wouldn't that be lovely? Only put your time into women who show interest. This is another mistake that you don't want to make. The women showing interest in you might not be someone that you actually want to date. You only agree to go on a date with her because she is the only one showing interest. Then when it does not go well, you find yourself chasing women again. The other reason that this is not a good thing to do is because it makes you appear low value. You want to attract high value women and you want them to be chasing you. If you are dating anyone that shows an interest in you, it makes it look like you are desperate. You might miss out on high value ladies because they think you are taken by low value ones. If a lady that you like shows interest in you, that's great and you should pursue it. You don't want to date every single person that shows interest in you. Make a good first impression. Whenever you meet a girl for the very first time, even if it's randomly in a coffee shop, you want to make a great first impression. Now, we have about only 7 seconds to make a good first impression, and then that's it. After that, we can try to be nice and show them the real us, but they will always remember that very first initial impression. So when you first meet a girl, ask for her name and then use it in your conversation. This makes someone feel an instant connection to you. Be confident when you approach them and leave them wanting more. And if you do all of this, you will make a great first impression and the girl will be messaging you not long after meeting you. Start socializing with her social circle. If you have a girl that you like or that you would simply like to chase, then this is a great way of getting her attention. Starting to socialize with her friend group has to be something that happens naturally, or if you guys already have mutual friends. It can't be something random because then you are chasing her and trying to get close to her. And if you are lucky enough to share mutual friends though, or it happens naturally, then it's a great way to get her attention. She will be spending more time with you, which means she will be getting to know you more. And her friends might also be asking her about you or making comments such as, wow, he's so nice. And these will all make her think. Now, over time, you might notice that she starts to pay more attention to you and eventually begins to chase you. Create an amazing life for yourself. This is one of the best things you can do to get girls to start chasing you. If you have an amazing life, you will attract other people to it. If a girl sees you achieving all of these things, having lots of friends and doing great things, she wants to be a part. This is not about you showing off or driving a fast car, more just having a life that's worth sharing and showing her that you can look after yourself so that she doesn't have to do that for you. She might love how close you are with your family and may never have been close to her own. You being so close to yours attracts her to you, so work on loving your life before you think about adding someone into it. Pay her attention, but don't chase her. If you ignore her, she will think that you are not interested or that you don't like her. This will not lead to her chasing you. You need to pay her attention, but not be the one doing all of that heavy lifting. For example, you talk to her when you see her, but you don't arrange the dates. You let her do that. You should let her text or message you first, but you should always reply quickly and not ignore the message. Basically, let her pursue you, but show her that you are interested so that she knows she's not wasting her time. Be mysterious. If you give everything away when a girl first meets you, she probably won't chase. Now, part of the reason why a girl chases a guy is because he's mysterious and she does not know everything about him. So she wants to know more and she puts in more effort and tries to grab your attention. You want to tell her some things about yourself, but you don't want to tell her everything. Make her want to learn more about you. Show her that you have options. Now, you don't want to look like a player, but you do want to show her that you have other options. If a girl is chasing you, then it's probably a chance that she's not the only one. You might have other girls that are chasing you, and if so, then you can tell her about them without looking like a player. If you are both chatting, you could mention that a girl asked you on a date or that a girl at work has been bringing you coffee every day. Now, when you say this, she will know that you are in high demand, which may make her chase you a little bit harder. It will also make her feel like you respect her enough to actually tell her. So make sure that it does not come across as though you are showing off or being a player. So tell her in a nice way, and it can really work in your favor. Let her take the lead. Take a step back and remember that you are not the one doing the chasing, it's her. Let her take the lead and be the one to strike up the conversation between you both. This way, from the very beginning, she will understand that it's her that is chasing you and not the other way around. So if you want her to do the chasing, then you should also let her organize the dates that you both go on and be the one to message you first. Now, once she has chased you for a little while and it's established that she likes you, then you should start putting in some more effort to show her that you do in fact like her. You could be the first to text her after a date and you could surprise her with another date. And there you go, we've reached the end of the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you liked this video or if I missed something very important from today's list. I hope this video has helped you gain a deep understanding of female psychology. Until the next video, like and subscribe. And if you want your name rolling up on this board like these people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below. Take care, bye bye.